too. Show me to the camp, please. That way? Okay, coming. Made it to the camp. Yes. I need to drink water. I am absolutely. So how do you guys feel?
We had a bunch of little adventures.
Water is just amazing right now, huh? Believe me, I know what you mean. I ran out before I got here.
Because, you know, you're gonna be just slowly.
There's no more in the tent, Anna?
I finished all my water. I was that thirsty.
Good, okay.
And it's so hot. Holy cow.
Look at
On peut t'en foutre, laisse te faire un peu.
In the Jeep?
Yeah.